Hello? Hello. Okay, quick tour of the room. This is the bed. TV. Desk. 2 chairs. Stool. Closet. Bathroom. Fire escape mask. Oh, is there coffee in here? Oh, there is coffee. Where's hot chocolate? It's pretty tasty, but I think this is like some sort of sugary drink. This is exactly what my dad said to me. He said, some young guys are gonna come and take you sightseeing. We're just gonna go with the flow. It's 11:30. Okay, we're downstairs waiting. We've got a bunch of dudes here. My sister and her mom are supposed to be here, but they're taking forever. We could have waited upstairs. This is the area where we had breakfast today. There's a piano right there. I'm fairly certain this is a 5-star hotel, but it's not that expensive. It's like $100 a day.
Wait, you can just go up there?
Yeah, up there is where the breakfast place was.
Anyone could just go up there and be like, yeah, I'm in room 2002. That is like such a familiar China feeling. It's like overeating in the warm weather. We're on the sidewalk. Well.
Oh yeah, I guess it's okay. Wow, those look good. This is some authentic noodles here. Those prices, dude. Like everything is $2. The hilarious chaos that is going on right now is awesome.
That's interesting. True.
These duck feet are actually really good. It's just you have to get over the fact that you're eating a finger. Look at that. It's a little thumbs up.
That's nothing. Juice is leaking out of the feet.
How is it?
That's good? Yeah, that's really good.
I can say without doubt it's the most delicious duck feet or duck head I've ever had.
I've never had duck head before today, so. That's the joke.
A new character has appeared on the screen. I don't know who it is.
His classmate.
Oh. This is some sort of gulch or gorge. I don't know what exactly, but looks cool. like a portable dock or something.
Giant kids' toys.
Yeah. Two bumbling idiots bumblebee tuning. That's gonna be the title of this blog. This land holds great beauty.
Bamboo.
So that's the extent of your knowledge?
Right now.
Koalas eat this, right?
No. The eucalyptus.
Oh.
Pandas eat this.
They're camping over there or something. If we didn't just have like 5 meals, I'd be like, hey, you guys want to share? Dude, it's so weird because you see Chinese scenery and paintings and like movies and stuff.
You don't think it's real?
Yeah, but it's real. Like, this is the most beautifully Chinese scenery I've ever seen in my life. This is idyllic. This is the word, idyllic. Whoa!
How's it taste?
Oh, it's good.
Hope I don't get jarred out.
I went to Indonesia a few years ago and we were rafting in a river. Dirtiest river I've ever seen. We got in it and I got some water in my nose. Worst parasite I've ever experienced.
I mean, if it is actually a spring, we should be fine.
Oh no, that's fine. Wow. This is some incredible scenery. This is like Lost. Dude, I absolutely live for stuff like this. Whoa, that's a big bee. So this stuff right here is made by beating the rice with that thing over there.
That recording is so bizarre.
This speaker right here, it's like the numbers from Lost.
There's a green bean and red bean popsicle.
This is my favorite Chinese and Japanese snack. It's mochi in Japanese and mazi in Chinese. Cameraman got hit in the face. You can see the strawberries. So we're at this strawberry farm, I guess, on the side of the road, and we're gonna buy some strawberries, which in Chinese it's cao mei.
Which is how is grass, which is basically straw.
So beautiful grass.
I don't know.
Is it the May? Beautiful May? I don't know.
My dad went to a place like this in Taiwan, and he was talking about how they put like plastic down with holes in it, and they plant the seeds in there. So when the plants come up, none of the dirt gets on the berries and stuff. It's like super clinical. Halloween 12.
你们到哪里站？到这里还是到那里？那里可以站。
Oh, oh, it's just
你不摘外面的草莓啊？先往里走。
Ooh.
It's warm in here.
Yeah, it's warm and it smells like vaguely of alcohol.
So I was like, what?
Alcohol.
I think it just smells
Look
like
how
strawberries.
good that looks, man.
Yeah.
Man, these are some delicious looking strawberries.
有白肉，没关系的。
That is good.
This
That
is
is
like
really good.
the best looking strawberry I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god, dude. I gotta savor every drop. Like, if you were a prehistoric person and you came across something like this, do you realize you'd kill yourself because you'd eat every strawberry in here? You know how sometimes you eat a strawberry and then it tastes like pulp?
Yeah, like dust.
Yeah, this is not it.
Yeah.
Man, this tastes incredible.
Flavor.
Just raw flavor. He's coming to get our strawberries.
Yeah, that smells good. He's trying to pay for the strawberries and the guy's refusing to let him pay. He's trying to stuff it into each other's pockets. Very common scene.
It is, yeah. It happens all the time. So when my brother and I were kids, we came to this place, but this is kind of like my grandparents' sibling's family.
Wow, that's so interesting seeing pictures of our family here, just like...
Well, it's funny because I'm kind of ashamed to admit it, but I didn't really know that this existed.
Yeah.
Like, I've been here before, but somehow I just didn't really know.
It's just
didn't comprehend that this is like my family, you know?
It's because we've actually wondered, like, what were our ancestors? Because we have this Chinese history, but we don't know much about it.
Yeah.
It's so interesting.
And it's here.
It's so... Oh, man.
So this is where my grandfather lived, right here, but it's gone now.
He's uncle too. We are
Uncle?
same family.
Oh. Uncle. 你好.
I want to say this is it red? No, I think it's white mulberry. Maybe it's red. Which one's fuzzy? I can't remember. I think it's red. Red mulberry's fuzzy, if I remember correctly.
If memory serves me right.
Some good TVs to play Smash Brothers. I've confiscated a bicycle and I'm riding it around the village. It's a pink one. Okay, this whole time we've been wondering where my dad is at. He's finally arrived and he can explain everything to us.